Ever since Caitlin Clark stepped onto the WNBA court, the attacks have been relentless. Not just physical, but systemic. While other channels chase fictional rumors about FBI investigations that don't even exist, we've been connecting the dots on something real, something far more dangerous for the WNBA. I'm Jackson Riley. Welcome back to the channel where we cut through the noise and follow the digital breadcrumbs to the real story. Today, we're diving deep into a legal precedent that could explode into the biggest civil rights case in sports history. This isn't speculation. This is a legal roadmap sitting in plain sight, and it begins with Dearica Hamby's courtroom victory. Here's what we're covering. First, the Hamby precedent that proves the WNBA is vulnerable to civil rights lawsuits. Second, how her winning strategy lays out an exact playbook for Clark's legal team. Third, the statistical evidence that makes Clark's case even stronger. And finally, why the WNBA's silence isn't just bad PR anymore, it's catastrophic legal exposure. Let's start with what happened to Dearica Hamby. In 2023, Hamby was traded from the Las Vegas Aces shortly after announcing her pregnancy. At first glance, it looked like a roster move, but in reality, it was the start of a federal discrimination case. Hamby didn't just talk to the press or ask for public sympathy. She took action. She filed a federal lawsuit alleging pregnancy discrimination, a hostile work environment, and retaliation. And here's the part that should terrify the WNBA. She won. In May 2024, Hamby reached a settlement worth $2.2 million with the Las Vegas Aces. But the money wasn't the real victory. The real impact? A judicial precedent for workplace discrimination claims in professional women's basketball. Hamby's legal strategy wasn't complicated. Her team documented a pattern of differential treatment, hostile work environment, and league inaction. They proved that pregnancy discrimination created an unsafe, unfair environment, and they showed that the WNBA failed in its duty to protect its players. Sound familiar? Because when you compare her legal filings to Clark's situation, the similarities are shocking. Over the past season, the evidence against the WNBA has been mounting. We're not talking about a single bad call or a one-off foul. We're talking about a pattern. According to official stats from the 2024 season, Caitlin Clark absorbed 17.1% of all flagrant fouls in the league. She's one player out of hundreds. The probability of that happening by chance? Statistically microscopic. That's step one of the legal roadmap, proving a pattern of differential treatment. Step two, demonstrating a hostile work environment, the constant physical targeting, the lack of adequate protection from officials, and the deafening silence from the league office. Step three, proving league inaction. In Dearica Hamby's case, the WNBA leadership had opportunities to intervene. They didn't. Clark's legal team could easily make the same argument. Put it all together, and the blueprint for a civil rights lawsuit is already written. If this case moves forward, it won't just be a PR nightmare for Commissioner Cathy Engelbert. It could fundamentally